And from this general formula, we can also have rate to be equals to change in volume over time. Rate to be equals to change in volume over time. If you have rate to be equals to volume over time, then we can now have R to be equals to V over T. That means we are going to have R1 to be equals to V1 over T1, whereas R2 to be equals to V2 over T2. From there, we quickly slot this parameter into the general formula. Having known that, we can also have it to be, what? V1 over T1 divided by V2 over T2 to be equals to square root of D2 over D1. Then from there, apply normal law, odd mass. This become times, and when this will come down, you have T2 over V2 to be equals to root of D2 over D1. From here, we can also have V1 T2 over V2 T1. V2 T1 to be equals to what? D2 over D1. Then, having noticed, in some cases, you can have the same volume. Okay. Now, if when V1 is equals to V2, that is when volume is constant. When volume is constant or the same in the question given to you, therefore, this and this become nullified. You have what? We now have T2 over T1 equals to square root of D2 over D1. Another formula, what now? Formula 4.